My name is James Skelton, Market Development Executive, and in this quick demo, you'll learn how to view and create service quotes for uncovered equipment in the Reseller Services portal. The benefits include the ability to view uncovered equipment in the RSP, ensure your customers' networks are fully covered in the event of any issues, capture additional revenue by requoting opportunities missed initially, and easily find the information needed to quote and register service contracts for recently ordered hardware. If you don't have a login already for the RSP, you can click on the new user link and you will go ahead and complete the form to send that over to MaintenanceNet to get your login created. It usually takes about 48 hours for the RSP team to create the login. Once you have that, you can then go back and log into the portal. So once you've successfully logged into the Reseller Services portal, you want to click on the Create Quote and Order tab. From here, you can click on the Unattached tab, and this is going to allow you to search using a number of different criteria to see what products you've sold but are still uncovered by service contract. So you can use a couple different things. Usually the most popular ones are either end customer name or the number of days expired. So you can either kind of look at your items for a single customer or just look at everything for your customer to see what is actually not covered. So if we enter in a customer name or even the beginning of a customer name, it's going to bring up the results for that particular customer. You're going to see a few things here. So you're going to see the serial numbers that are uncovered for that customer. You're going to see the customer name. You're going to see the actual expiration date of the manufacturer's warranty. So if that's a concern for the customer, you can utilize that to determine when you want to get coverage ordered. And then you're also going to see an item which is called the ticker, and basically that gives you information on when something's expired. So if the ticker is in red, it's going to actually show items that are past either manufacturer's warranty or contract coverage. So those ones are not currently under any sort of support contract at this time. Items in orange, that's going to show you items that are under manufacturer's warranty but are not covered by an actual Cisco service contract. So once you've found the items that you want to go ahead and create quotes for, you can click the check boxes to the left of each item that you want to add, and then you can use the contract dates or the contract period to actually create the service term for those items. So you can use a period of 1 to 5 years, or you can create a custom start and end date. If you want to add that to an existing contract that the customer already has, there's a box down below where you can enter the contract number, and that will make sure that those maintain consolidated for that customer. So once you've selected the items and set the parameters, you click on the Add to Quote button, and that's going to bring the items into the quote cart on the right-hand side. From here, you can see which items you've added. If you do want to go ahead and remove the items, you can click on the checkbox and click the Remove link. You could also, at this point, go ahead and search for additional items and add those as well. But once you have everything in the quote cart that you want to go ahead and proceed to quote with, you would click on the Create Quote button. That's going to bring you into the contact information screen. So that's going to allow you to see your own contact information and edit that. It's also going to allow you to edit the customer contact information. So you want to make sure this is correct, because this is what Cisco is going to use to actually create the contract for the customer. One thing to note is the ECS credentials. So ECS credentials allow you to actually view live pricing from your ingrammicro.com account and actually place orders directly through the Reseller Services portal. So if you have those credentials, which you would actually obtain through this portal, they'll be auto-populated. If you don't have them, it doesn't stop you from going forward. You can go ahead and click on the Create List Price Quote without ECS credentials link, and that's going to basically allow you to create a list price quote for the item. And you can still take that quote and then add that to an order and send it to a PO to your customer or to your Ingram sales team. So you can go ahead and do that. But once you get the ECS credentials, you can use the portal directly to order. So once you have everything set here, you can click on the Continue button, and then that's going to bring you into the main page of the quote that you've created. So essentially now you have a quote for all the pricing that you need. It's going to show you all the items that you've added. It's going to show you the contract start and end dates that will be set once you actually go ahead and create this and process it as an order. And it's going to show you the line item pricing for each item. You can also view which serial numbers you have here. And there's also a couple other options. So at this point, you can go ahead and download the quote in an Excel form. or you can actually create an email that you can send directly to your customer. So if you click on the Create Email button, that's going to pop up a box which will allow you to put in a personalized note to the customer's email address, and then you can send that directly over to your customer by clicking Submit. So you can see how the RSP makes it very easy to view your customer's uncovered equipment and create quotes to bring those devices under coverage. If you have any more questions about Cisco services, including auto quotes and the Reseller Services Portal, you can call our team at 1-800-456-8000, extension 76471, and select option 2. You can also email our team at smartnetquote@ingrammicro.com. For support with your login or profile in the Reseller Services Portal, email servicenow@ingrammicro.com. To learn more about how to create quotes and manage your Cisco Services opportunities, please check out the other videos in our Cisco Services Video on Demand series. Thank you for selling Cisco Services.